Hi, this is Victor Batista, pre-sales engineer with UiPath, and in this demo, we're going to look at how to extract ICD codes from insurance documents. One of the most important parts about finding ICD codes in insurance documents is actually locating the code, how much and how long it takes to actually find them. So, in our solution for today, what we do is basically we find some sort of matching pattern that matches an ICD code. And after we find a matching pattern, we go against the database to confirm that it's an actual ICD code, as well as looking at the description. So, in our process for today, what we're going to do is first take in that particular file and then go ahead, split the file into a bunch of pages. After that, we prepare all the data from the database, we ingest it, and that's going to be all the ICD codes that exist. After we ingest all those ICD codes, we're going to process the document and match it against our existing database. Once all of that is completed, what we're going to have, it's basically going to have a results page with all the information that's in there. And just to give you some sort of point to look at what we are doing, it's going to be from this file. And if you can see in this file, there's a bunch of information that you will usually find in an ICD code insurance document. But if I stop around here, and I'm going to zoom in, here where I have my mouse is, for example, an ICD code with a bunch of different description. And it goes on, keeps on going in there. So we're going to capture all that information. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. So I'm going to close the file so we can access it later. And I'm going to kick off the process. So remember, the first thing that's going to do is going to take that specific file, it's going to split it up in a bunch of different pages. And the reason for that is that we can use more than one bot to actually work on the same file, since it's going to be working on pages independently from one another. So it's going to go ahead and starting to open different pages, but it doesn't find anything in them. So it closes them right away. In this page is found information, but it's not an ICD code. And that's going to be happening throughout all these different pages. What's important to see is that once it finds the code, we're able to see it in the screen. Now that you see these codes that are appearing, this is just a text message. So we are able to see all the codes that are found. And those going to be at the bottom of this page, just like we showed at the start of the whole process. And just like that, you'll be able to see all the codes that came in that particular insurance document. It gives you one, the codes that are actually with a description, and two, it gives you the codes that it matched the ICD code, but it didn't find a description. So it gives you both the ones that are it's certain of and those that it's not completely certain of. So I hope this specific demo gave you a bridge and a window into the solution that we use inside of UiPath to actually extract all this information. Thank you. Have a great day.